7 breakfast foods to help you lose weight naturally. A healthy breakfast is an essential part of your daily routine. It sets a perfect tone for the rest of your day. Even though some people may skip breakfast altogether, choosing the right breakfast might significantly impact weight loss. With a balanced breakfast, you can curb your cravings and minimize snacking until lunchtime. Here are 7 breakfast foods that can help you lose weight naturally. Number 1. Eggs and toast. Eggs are a trendy choice for breakfast. Not only can they be cooked in a variety of manners, they are also incredibly nutritious. They offer high protein content, which aids in reducing appetite and minimizing cravings. Studies have shown that the intake of eggs in breakfast meals can significantly increase satiety and reduce your food intake. Toasts made with whole grain bread coupled with eggs are a well-rounded meal that's guaranteed to fuel you till lunchtime. Number 2. Avocados. Nowadays, avocados are readily available everywhere. The addition of avocados to your breakfast ensure that you have a healthy amount of fiber in the gut. Foods rich in fiber tend to promote a feeling of fullness and prevent overeating. A perfect way to incorporate it into your morning routine is an avocado toast. You can mix avocados with scrambled eggs or use them as a healthy spread on your bread to spice things up. Number 3. Bananas. Bananas are a great addition to your morning meal. It provides lot of fiber and is low in calories. A perfect alternative to carb-rich foods that satisfies your sweet tooth early in the morning. Numerous studies have suggested that intake of fiber-rich fruits and vegetables can help in weight loss. Fiber assists in the slow movement of food through your digestive system. As a result, you experience a feeling of fullness and avoid overeating and snacking. Number 4. Oatmeal. Oatmeal is an excellent breakfast option if you're looking to lose weight naturally. It offers a high amount of dietary fiber and proteins, but a meager amount of calories. Dietary fiber plays a vital role in satiety and weight loss. Additionally, oatmeal contains beta-glucan, which is known to prevent your blood glucose from spiking. As a result, insulin is not secreted by the body to control blood sugar levels. Insulin is involved in signaling your body to store fat. So, with limited insulin activity, you are most likely to burn fat and lose weight. Number 5. Brown rice. Unlike white rice, brown rice is a whole grain. It provides high protein and fiber content. Brown rice is an ideal alternative to oatmeal. It fuels you up before your day starts and instills a feeling of fullness. You may even add some fresh vegetables, fruits, or cinnamon to flavor your morning meal. Just avoid sugar and butter, or else the purpose of the healthy bowl of rice will be defeated. Number 6. Greek yogurt. Yogurt is a very healthy addition to your weight loss-oriented breakfast. Greek yogurt contains abundant quantities of proteins and a minimal amount of saturated fat. Studies show that people who ate yogurt regularly every week had a lower risk of being obese than those who didn't consume. Moreover, yogurt is a probiotic food that ensures optimal gut functionality. A healthy digestive system is a very vital part of attaining a lean body. Number 7. Smoothies. Smoothies offer a very convenient and effective solution to the weight loss regime. You can fill your smoothies with vegetables and low-carb fruits that provide high amounts of dietary fiber to help you feel full. The drink can be custom-tailored to your preference and taste. You can add protein-rich components like nuts or seeds to enhance your breakfast nutrition and curb your cravings. I hope you enjoyed watching the video. Please leave your valuable feedback in the comment section. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell.